Today we're going to be building your very first workflow from scratch in just under 2 minutes. So I'm going to start from our workflow management screen here, and I'm going to click Design My Own. I'll give my workflow a name. In this case it will be Hello World Test. This is the workflow designer screen. On the left hand side here we have our canvas where we'll be building our automation. On the right hand side here we've got our action library, and in the top right here we've got our save, launch, and launch console buttons. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to search for the copy content work action. We're going to drag that on, and we're going to configure it to say hello. We'll now configure our output here to be called text. This ensures that the output of this work action is usable in subsequent work actions. Next, we're going to drag in our launch console work action. This will send the information from our workflow to the launch console so we can view it as it's running. And then we're going to confirm. In order to launch our workflow, we need to connect the rocket ship to the first work action that we want to run, and then we want to make this workflow dynamic. So let's add a new launch input to the workflow, and let's call it name. From here we can go back into our copy content and we can update this so that it includes the variable name. Confirm. Now we're going to save our workflow, and we're going to launch our workflow. I'll launch it with the name Nick. Hello, Nick. There you have it, our very first workflow built up and running. Next thing we can do is we can start scheduling this using either the scheduler, the API, or an email trigger. I will show you those in upcoming videos.